So, going through some of the options, the extra options I'd purchased with this system, it appears pretty much nothing works. The head unit itself is good, but all of the accessories, the extra add-ons that you buy, are all garbage. This is the USB tire pressure monitoring system. This USB adapter is plugged in. And then there's a sensor on each of the tires. So they're all labelled. They're all nice and tight. They're all communicating. They're all on. And the system says that there's no pressure in any of the tires, but it can get the temperature from the sensors, and it can detect their signal and shows that they've all got full batteries. So it's connected to them. They just don't work. So if you listen. So there's definitely, it's pushing down on the valve to get air, but the system does not work. So this is another waste.